Want to make your Modula galleries even better? Try Modula Video. With Modula Video, you can create video galleries on your website. It works with YouTube, Vimeo, or videos you upload from your computer. It's easy and fast. To set up, create a new gallery and choose Video Gallery as the type. You can then add single videos or entire playlists. You can control settings like autoplay or loop. You can control the play icon, set playlist position, and more. Here is a gallery of 13 videos. The selected video plays in the center. Watch it, then click the next video in the playlist to continue. Now, let's look at a gallery with pictures and videos together. Click a video to play it, or click a picture to view it full screen. Make your site galleries more engaging with Modula videos. Add videos, pictures, or both. It's up to you. Thank you for watching.